Okay. Next part of the third model is rank correlation coefficient. Okay. Rank correlation coefficient is denoted by rho. And rank correlation coefficient is nothing but the coefficient of correlation. The coefficient of correlation in respect of the ranks. The coefficient of correlation in respect of ranks of two individuals or any two characteristics of two individuals is called rank correlation. Nothing but rank correlation is denoted by R. This is nothing but rank correlation is the correlation coefficient of two characteristics of two individuals. Means here they have given two characteristics of two individuals, nothing but rank correlation. That rank correlation expression is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square upon n into bracket n square minus 1. This is the expression for rank correlation. Okay, let's have an example on this one. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank correlation. Okay, here they are given first judge and second judge. They are asking to find rank correlation. Okay, we have rank correlation. Rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation t square upon n into bracket n minus 1. Rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square upon n into bracket n minus 1. Okay, n square minus 1. Okay. Here n is given, how much it is? 10. 10 competitors they are told. 10 competitors means n is equals to 10. Okay. To find rank correlation, we need to find D. D is nothing but 1 minus 2. D is nothing but what? Okay. Now where? Okay, if it is x and y, D is nothing but x minus y. If x are two individuals, if x and y are two individuals. Okay. The here two x and y are nothing but 1 and 2. Okay, first we will find summation of d square because only d and n are the unknown quantities, but here already we have n and therefore we will find summation of d square. Summation of d square means 1 minus 2 whole square because d is 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, and d square means 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 1 minus 6 whole square. Summation, since it is summation, adding all these plus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 9 whole square plus 3 minus 8 whole square plus 10 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. Next 9 minus 10 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 7 whole square. Next simplify all the terms. After simplifying, here we are getting summation of d square is equals to 158. Substitute these two terms and square this one. Similarly, simplify all the terms. After simplifying, we have summation of d square is equals to 158. Therefore, okay, here you can write rank correlation coefficient. That is rho. Therefore, rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square is 158 upon, sorry, here only n is 10 into 10 square minus 1. Okay. Next simplify this one. Okay, after simplifying, here we are getting this is equals to 0.042. rank correlation is equals to 0.042. To find the rank correlation is main two terms are D and N. D is nothing but x minus y. If it is x and y given, x minus y. Here 1 and 2 are given, 1 minus 2 is nothing but D. Similarly, difference between two individuals. D is nothing but difference between two individuals. Find summation of D square, substitute, simplify here. After simplifying, you will get rank correlation coefficient. Okay, let's have our next example on correlation, rank correlation coefficient. Okay, 10 students got the following percentage of marks in two subjects X and Y. Compute their rank correlation coefficients. Here they have given marks in X, marks in Y. Here these are the marks of X, these are the marks of Y. Okay. Here what I have already written the table. In the table, first I have written the X marks, next I have written marks of Y. Here what I did, I am gone giving the ranks to the marks. Here first rank 1 I have given is 1, rank 1 to 98 marks in X. Similarly, rank 2 to 82. Like that, I go on giving the marks of ranks to the marks in X. For 98 it is 1, for 92 it is, for 90 it is 2, for 82 it is 3, for 78 it is 4 rank. Next, for 75 it is 5. Next, for 65 it is 6th rank. Next, for 62 it is 7th rank. Next, for 39 it is 8th rank. For 36 it is 9th rank. For 25 it is 10th rank. I have given the ranks. Next, here I have written marks in Y. Similarly, here also I have given the ranks from 1 to 10 to the following whatever they have obtained. To that marks they have given 1 to 10 ranks. Like that, for 91 I have given 1. Next, for 86 I have given 2. For 84 it is 3. For 68 it is 4. For 62 it is 5. Next, for 60 it is 6. For 58 it is 7th rank. For 53 it is 8th rank. For 51 it is 9th rank. For 47 I have given 10th ranks. Why I have given the ranks means just to avoid the complications in solving, only that much. Okay. Next we are finding D. D is equals to x minus 1 means rank of x minus rank y. That is 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Similarly, here I have written x minus y values. Next, D square. Nothing but square of these terms. 1 square 1, 4 square. Sorry. Here it is 60. Next, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 2 square 4. Next, summation of D square is 30. Next, they are asking to find rank correlation. We have rank correlation coefficient rho is equals to 1 minus summation of D square upon n into bracket n square minus 1, where n is equals to 10 because they are told 10 students, therefore n is equals to 10. Okay, substitute here 1 minus summation D square is 30 upon 10 into bracket 10 square minus 1. Okay, simplify this one. After simplifying, here we are getting 0.818181. Okay, and our rank is nearly equals to 0.82, or rank correlation is equals to 0.82. Okay, just I have given the ranks. If you get a similar questions, better to simply make it simple the question like that. For marks I have that given ranks like that. If you get similar question like marks or percentage in two subjects or of two students, whatever they are given, just try to give the ranks. It will make easy to solve the example.